All the witnesses have testified and the defense has rested. But before this Bridgegate case goes to the jury, there was what could only be termed an October surprise today in federal court. Judge Susan Wigenton ruling that whether or not Bill Baroni and Bridget Ann Kelly intended to punish Mayor Mark Sokolich of Fort Lee with a massive traffic jam does not factor into what the jury decides. This is something the defense has made a point of, and Michael Critchley, Bridget Ann Kelly's lawyer, was completely flabbergasted during the closed-door hearing where this was decided on Tuesday, saying this, according to a transcript of the hearing that was obtained by the Philadelphia Inquirer: "Judge, I don't even know right now, and I say this respectfully, what I'm defending. I thought that I was defending a charge that at its core, beginning to end, was an allegation that Bridget Kelly and Mr. Baroni entered into activity to intentionally punish Mayor Sokolich for not endorsing U.S. Attorney Paul Fishman, who sat in through the entirety of Bridget Ann Kelly's testimony on the stand, both direct and cross-examination, which concluded today, had no comment." It seems like it's moved the goalposts a little bit for the prosecution, making it more likely that Bridget Ann Kelly and Bill Baroni will be found guilty. Got to have a hell of a closing argument to knock down this case that the prosecution has made. I asked Mike Critchley about his as he was leaving.
I just hope God gives me the ability to present this evidence the way it should be presented to prove Bridget Kelly's innocence.
It's hard to overstate how important the judge's decision in this is. And the fact that it happened at the last minute means that defense attorneys may have made an entire 6-week case based upon something that's no longer there. The belief that the prosecution had to prove that the lane closings were meant to punish Fort Lee Mayor Sokolich and not just a misuse of Port Authority materials, as the judge said in her decision. So here's what happens next. The jury's been charged. They've been told about the relevant law in the case. Closing arguments begin on Thursday, continue Friday. The jury could get this case as early as that day, but it looks like the judge wants them to take the weekend, come back, and we could have a verdict for you on Monday. So, to be informed of all the developments, follow me at Chasing Zidane and the show at Chasing News.